What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new style video that's going to be going up on my channel every Tuesday from now on. I'm claiming it right now. Every Tuesday I'm going to start uploading a video. It's going to be this style of video. It's something that no YouTuber has ever done. Not once before. This is original content coming to you. I'm going to call it Tutorial Tuesdays. Like I said in my previous video, I'm going to start changing up the content on this channel, and one thing I wanted to start doing was doing tutorial videos. It's not going to be all photo related, not going to be all video related. It's going to be whatever I feel like trying to teach you guys. I'm going to show you my ways of doing things, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download a log feature onto all Canon cameras. Siri, what's a log profile?
Okay, I found this on the web for what's the log profile.
Oh, wow. Okay, bye.
You gotta work?
No. Okay.
Call up Picture and say, hey, I bought your old car.
Okay.
Right? Well, call them and see what it is, but and then see. Tomorrow's Tuesday.
Yes, it is. Sorry, I was interrupted. This is what the internet's gonna say to you. In a nutshell, recording using a log picture profile or curve preserves more of your image dynamic range by redistributing the digital exposure value representations over the entire value set using a preset logarithmic function. Okay, to really dumb it down, it takes away all the contrast and desaturates your image a little bit, thus allowing you in post-production to color grade your photos or videos or whatever it is. It allows you to add any colors, kind of like play with them a lot more. It just gives you more control over your image. I'm going to show you how to do it on a Canon camera for free. You don't have to buy anything. I'm going to show you guys right now. Alright. So, first you're going to want to grab your Canon camera, like so. So let me show you first what the regular contrasting image looks on a Canon camera. So this is what the standard Canon color grade looks like. It doesn't look bad like with the regular colors that it has right now. I think it looks pretty nice. If you want to download the log feature, what you're going to want to do, go to Menu, then you're going to go to Picture Style right there. Select that, go all the way down, User Depth, and you're going to press Info. And then it's going to pull up these options. First we'll do contrast. You want to drop contrast all the way down, and your saturation, I drop it all the way down as well. And then for sharpness, this is where you can kind of find your own style. I like to keep mine all the way down as well, just because that's how I like my image to look. And then this is what the log feature will look like. As you can see, the colors are a lot more dimmed down, and then you can put a color grade over it so it looks like this instead. From there, you can take your video that looks all flat like this, right now, and you can get a color grade like this, or this, or even... I know this video is a lot shorter, and that's exactly what I want it to be. I want these tutorials to be quick. That's why I like my tutorials. I hate watching like a 10-minute tutorial for something that actually takes 2 minutes to learn. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about log a little bit, teaching you how much I know about it, reciprocating it to you guys. Make sure you guys don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that way you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. I have a lot of content on the way, and I'm going to be posting way more frequently. And thank you for everyone who subscribed to this channel. Very stoked on that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Swag.
Do it!